No matter what training covers, we always want to evaluate whether or not it achieved the shaped behavior identified through our needs assessment. Training can be designed to cause changes in a variety of employees' attitudes and behaviors, and as a result, it can be assessed in any number of different ways, depending on what we're trying to accomplish. In this course, we present 4 assessment methods and how to choose an assessment method for your training. One of the most common assessment options is called the 4-level evaluation method. It measures reaction, learning, behavior, and results. Reaction evaluations measure how the individual responds to the actual training process. Self-reporting measures are quick and common measures of training. In reaction evaluations, the organization asks the participants how they feel about the training process, including the content covered, the instructors, and the knowledge they gained by going through the process. They may also be asked about what skills they've learned during the training process. This is the lowest level of training evaluation, and it's frequently discounted due to its subjectivity and because some people overestimate their capabilities. Learning evaluations are level 2 measures designed to determine what knowledge the individual gained, whether they learned any new skills because of the training, and whether the person's attitudes towards their knowledge or skill set has changed as a result of the training. Learning evaluations are easily done using quizzes, tests, and even topic-based discussions. Learning evaluations help organizations evaluate the skill of the instructor as well as the change in the knowledge set of the trainee. If the instructor is inadequate as a teacher, it should show up in learning evaluation measurement. We should also be able to see whether or not an individual gained knowledge of the subject because of the training process. Behavior evaluations are a 3rd level of evaluating training processes. Behavior evaluations are designed to determine whether or not the trainee's on-the-job behaviors change as a result of the training. Behavior evaluations usually take on the form of observation of the individual on the job after completion of the training process. Did the process of going through the training have a direct effect on the individual's post-training job performance? The behavior evaluation is specifically designed to identify whether or not the individual is able to transfer knowledge gained into new skills that they then use in their work. Results evaluation is the 4th and final level of training evaluation. In a results evaluation, we try to determine whether or not individual behavior changes have improved organizational results. In other words, we look at the organization's bottom line to determine whether or not productivity has increased. This is a level at which ROI is measured and evaluated to see whether or not the training has paid off for the organization. However, ROI is not the only thing that we should measure at this level. Other results that we may measure include increased quality of work, lower absenteeism or turnover, reductions in rework or scrap, lower on-the-job accident rates, and many others. What we're looking for in a results evaluation is concrete evidence that the training resulted in organizational changes that were valuable in some form. One challenge in assessment is developing metrics to assess training. Measurements of training have become significantly more important in the past few years. We now have the capability to analyze large sets of data to find out how successful a particular approach is in creating a more skilled workforce. We also want to make sure we don't spend money without getting results.